Now answer the question of the week. You need to apply the intelligence to answer this question. You have just 2 minutes time. It is initiative of Intelligent Freshers to help to the engineers to get good marks in competitive exam, good rank in competitive exam. Question on analog electronics. You have just 2 minutes time to answer this question. Question is, the following circuit is, you have analog circuit using operation amplifier. Feedback resistor is R. This is R. This is V2. This is V1. This is V0. Capacitor, resistor, Vin of t. Your options are low pass filter, high pass filter, band pass filter, all pass filter. So you have just 2 minutes time to answer this question. What you need to do is that you need to use the fundamental of network synthesis, try to find out poles and zeros, and quickly in just 2 minutes you answer this question. These type of questions are useful to get good rank in competitive examination. So what you can do is that use just basic fundamentals, try to observe the elements used and use the network synthesis concept. So I know that I have this kind of RC circuit, first order RC circuit. So if I will apply V in here, V1 is equal to transform impedance is R 1 upon CS ohm, V1, V in of T, V in of S. So V1 of S divided by V in of S, transfer function is 1 upon CS divided by R plus 1 upon CS, 1 upon 1 plus RCS. Correct? So you need to recall this instead of, because most of us know that first order control system we have the transfer function as 1 upon 1 plus RCS. Now what you need to do is that you need to quickly answer this question. Now if you observe the given analog circuit, then most of the engineers they say that this is low pass filter, but answer is wrong. This is not a low pass filter, this is all pass filter. Why? Because I will get pole and 0 at minus 1 by tau and 1 by tau. Now why? Tau is time constant, which is RC second. From this circuit only it is very clear that see V0 of S is equal to, so let us use a superposition theorem. V0 of S is equal to V1 into 1 plus R by R minus R by R into V in of S. This is non-inverting gain, this is inverting gain, which is equal to 2 into V1. What is V1? V1 is nothing but potential across this capacitor. In the form of transfer function, I can say V in of S divided by 1 plus RCS minus V in of S. So V0 of S divided by V in of S is equal to 2 minus 1 minus RCS is 1 minus RCS divided by 1 plus RCS. So here I have 0 at S is equal to 1 by tau, which is 1 upon RC. Pole at S is equal to minus 1 by RC. That means pole and 0, they are mirror image of each other, and if we find out the magnitude of this for all pass filter, magnitude of transfer function is equal to 1, isn't it? So this is nothing but all pass filter. So depending on the gain bandwidth product of the operation amplifier, it will pass all the frequencies. So the correct option is option D. Don't use KVL KCL equations, don't do any kind of analysis. Just if you know the transfer function of RC's first order circuit, then you will be able to solve this in just 2 minutes time. So in analog electronics, what you can do is that you try to understand role of the elements like energy storage element, inductor, capacitor, and then try to solve more examples on that, which is very much helpful for the competitive exam. So all the best to all of you. Thank you very much.